Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp connecting problem on iPhone. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first, to fix this here, go ahead and open up your control center, just like so. Now, go ahead and open up this network section. Now, you're going to want to toggle on airplane mode. Okay, I can't do it because I'm currently screen mirroring. So, enable airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds. After once that's done, just turn it back off. After that, go ahead and try to open up WhatsApp and check if it works. If that doesn't work, if you have a VPN right here enabled, disable it. All right. And under cellular data, if you have a low data mode, if that's an option in your iPhone, disable it. Okay. After once that's done, check if it works. If that still won't work, let's go and find settings. Or the settings app, tap on it. Scroll all the way down and find apps right here. Tap. Scroll all the way down once more and you'll have WhatsApp. Just tap on it. And then make sure that live activities and the background app refresh are both enabled. And then once done, go ahead and close the settings, open up WhatsApp, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, by the way, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you're currently watching this video using the same exact phone and Wi-Fi connection, well, the problem is not the internet. But if you're watching this video using the same phone and internet, and the video is laggy or choppy, well, that means you have a problem with your internet. You must go ahead and wait it out. So if the video doesn't have a problem, well, let's move forward. There's this one thing that you need to do. Again, go ahead and find settings. Now go ahead and find general. Right here, just tap on it. Find iPhone storage. Tap. Now go ahead and find WhatsApp in the list. Tap on WhatsApp. Now go ahead and tap on offload app. And again, offload the app. All right. So when you go ahead and offload the app, it will then go ahead and ask you to reinstall it from here. So tap on reinstall. And once that's reinstalled, go to find your app store. Again, find WhatsApp right here. Tap on it. Now, if there's an update button, update the app. Once that's done, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine. And that is it. That is how you fix WhatsApp connecting problem on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.